Hi, in this video we will see how we can install Virtualbox on Windows computer. At first we need to open any browser and we have to go Google. Once we are in the Google, then we have to type Virtualbox on the Google search box and we have to hit enter key. Then we'll find the Virtualbox official website. We just need to access this website to download the Virtualbox. So I'm going to click here and then we'll find this type of website. Now we have to access the download location of Virtualbox. On the left side of this window, basically there are the links to download the Virtualbox. So here we'll find the downloads. We just need to click over there to access the downloads page of Virtualbox. And from this page we will see different versions of Virtualbox for different operating system. We are using Windows, that's why we have to use the Windows link to download the Virtualbox of Windows version. We just need to click here to download the Windows version of Virtualbox and we have to put the location where we can save this software. I'm going to click the save button and it will start downloading and it will be saved locally. Once the software is downloaded successfully, then we can close this window because this browser we don't need anymore. Then we have to open the Explorer and we have to go to the download location of Virtualbox. And here we are seeing the download version of the installer. We just need to double click on top of it to start the installation. So I'm going to double click on this installer and then very shortly it will open the installation window of Virtualbox. Here we have to press the yes button because it is asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We have to press yes to continue the installation. And this window, basically we can close this thing, I mean the Windows Explorer. Once we close it, then we'll see only the installer window of Virtualbox. Here there is a button next. Once we click next, then we need to go to this page. Here it is showing where it would be installed. Here there is another next button, so here also we need to click again this next button. Once we click next, then it is showing that there is a warning message, like whether you want to continue or not, something message there, but I am going to agree this thing by pressing the yes button. Once we press the yes button, then here it is showing that this thing is missing and we need to install. Again we need to press this yes button to continue the installation. So once we press the yes button, then it will go to the next step, and here it is the final button, which is the install button. We just need to click this yes button so that it will start the installation of this software. It will take like 1 minute to 2 minutes based on your computer performance. Once the installation is completed successfully, it will give us the confirmation message. When the confirmation message is appeared, that means the installation of Virtualbox is done. Now we can uncheck this checkbox and then we can close this window by pressing this finish button. So I'm going to press this finish button and the window will be closed. Now to open the Virtualbox, we just need to click on the start menu and then here we have to type Virtualbox. If we type only virtual, basically it will prompt us that the software, and here we are seeing that Oracle VM Virtualbox app is there. To open it, we just need to click on top of it, and then once we click there, then it will open the Virtualbox of our Windows operating system. And here this is the UI or user interface of the Virtualbox. That's it guys. In this way we can easily download and install Virtualbox, and later if we want to add some virtual image or virtual operating system, we can also add in this Virtualbox. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you face any issue or problem, please don't forget to put in the comment section.